We move to the Sunday, the big game on Sunday. That's LaSalle versus UST. This is another exciting
game.
rematch. All right, let's start with LaSalle and Des Cheng. What a comeback for Des Cheng coming from that injury.
Yeah, what a comeback from Des Cheng. Kasi 17 points yung contribute niya last game. So, I think she needs to step up this time kasi gutom yan manalo against UST, especially nanalo si UST ng 3 sets lang last game.
Des is really bringing in her leadership into the match, and malaking factor pag wala si Des inside the court. I think her being the kapitana of the squad has a big effect on the squad. But aside from that, another person who has to lead and who will be key to their win is Michelle Cobb. In their last game, one-handed sets going to Jolina. Sobrang ganda ng performance sa yung mga highlights pag pinanood mo, talagang napakaganda. But Cobb has to play her highlight game all the time so that LaSalle can really pursue their campaign in this season.
What can you say about Cobb's? They call her Kobe. Her performance so far in this tournament.
So far, ang ganda ng pinapakita ni Michelle kasi ang dami niyang options like Des Cheng, meron siyang Jolina, rookie. So parang yun lang yung kailangan talaga niya, ma-distribute niya ng maayos yung bola, especially ang mga kalaban niya dyan sa game na yan, Mafe Galanza.
Oh, Mafe Galanza. It's not just because familiar yung last name, but she's making her own name.
Definitely. Mafe, we've talked about this in the past, how it's Mafe's time to show that there's another Galanza on the court right now. And being part of the Golden Tigresses, she's really contributing a lot. Her distribution is on point. And we're seeing how paano niya napapagana yung spikers niya. In their last game, napagana nga niya yung gitna, and Caitlin Veray got the POG honors because of Mafe's distribution. And that's something that they have to really bring into this match if they want to win against LaSalle for the second time.
Repeat their win again.
What should Mafe do to really have a gigantic impact on this match?
I think she needs to make a good decision-making for every rotation talaga. Kasi last game, nagawa niya double digits yung spikers niya. So this time, sana maulit-ulit nila yun.
Jem, would you agree though that it's the middle that will be crucial into this match for UST?
Yes, kasi kailangan talaga nila ng blocking. We all know naman how tall yung LaSalle players. So talagang malaking factor yung middle blockers ng UST.
Especially dahil may Rondina, may Lowry ka namang pupuntos talaga sa wing.
Hey guys, I'm 3D Ravenna of the Ateneo Blue Eagles. Thank you for watching The Score. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports YouTube channel to be updated with the latest games.